In this PPTs, we are going to cover the types of close-ended questionnaires. There are different types of questionnaires, for example, Likert scale, multiple choice, true and false, bipolar. I'm going to explain all of these in. The first one is the dichotomous questionnaire. Dichotomous questionnaire means when there are two options, yes or no, male, female, or there are simple questions which ask the respondent to answer in either of the two, one of the two options that are given over in the options. Like for example, look over here, it can be yes or no or true and false, agree, disagree, male, female. So these are known as dichotomous, means two. Di means two, two categories are there. The second type is the multiple choice. You are already aware of the multiple choice questions. So questionnaire which have different options are included in close-ended multiple choice questions. Likert scale basically uh, shows the liking of the respondent. Likert scales can help you ascertain how strongly a respondent agree to a particular statement. Such type of questions also help you assess how your customers feel towards a certain issue, product, or service. Look at the example that is given over here. Usually Likert scale, there are different types of scales, Likert scales, but this is the commonly used one. Strongly agree, agree, neither agree or disagree, or sometimes it is also known as neutral, disagree, and then strongly disagree. So most of the time Likert scale, this kind of Likert scale is used. Another type of close-ended questionnaire is metrics. Metrics basically include different options where you are supposed to grade them. They are really they seems to be multiple questions presented on the grid. Is one of the most popular question type in online and especially traditional in pencil and paper survey. There are a bundle of questions which can be covered over here in this way. Easily it can be covered. There are different options that are given. It's a sort of, you can say, Likert scale, but Likert scale basically focuses on strongly and strongly agree or strongly disagree. Okay, so this is also somewhat similar to that, but the options are different. The fifth type it is contingency. Contingency are the dependent questions basically. If, for example, you want to get the details of some question, then you can ask them that if this is your answer, then please give detail. Like for example, the example is given over here. If yes, how about many times you smoke? Okay, so if answers, dependent questions. If the answer is yes, then you can ask the details, otherwise there is no need to use such questions. And this can, because it's a close-ended questionnaire, so you have to give the options, otherwise it can also be given as an open-ended questionnaire item. The next type is the bipolar question. Bipolar means two opposite adjectives are mentioned at the two ends, and there are around 5 to 7 options in between. So look at the example that is given over here. How would you describe the service of XYZ Corporation? Right? Effective and ineffective, fast and slow, reliable and unreliable. Two opposite answers are mentioned over here, or adjectives. Usually adjectives are used in this case. So two opposite are mentioned, and I mean the respondents are supposed to answer according to their, their will or their opinion.